Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you one another interesting Excel formula, which is actually Vstack formula in Excel. So it is basically used when you want to combine your data from the multiple sheets. So I have two sheets here, table 1 and table 2, and I want to combine it. Mind it, you can combine it for so many or as many as seats you have. You can combine by this formula within a few seconds. Okay, so here we go, and you will find some interesting one and it will be very cool. So I'm going to combine. Now I'm typing here equals to vstack tab. Now it is asking me array, so I will select table 1 and I will select all my data range, then comma, and then I will go to table 2. Guys, remember here, every time you need not to copy the header, right? You only data. So you have to select only data from here and you just close it and just enter, and you can see that how clearly it has been pasted all the data from two sheets in a one sheet here. So I hope you enjoyed this formula and you will apply it in your day-to-day operations. And basically when you find anything that date is not coming correctly, just right click here, go to the format cells, date format, and select your date format. Here my date format is this. Just click on and your data is ready to send. Okay, so this is the beauty of Vstack formula, and this is the new one. I hope you will apply it in your day-to-day operations and you enjoyed the video. So please, those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and those who have already subscribed my channel, please go and watch my video till the end. Thank you very much for watching my all videos. Thank you.